Hello there and welcome back to yet another one of my videos. Well, I haven't done any more on the TS1, so this episode's not about my TS1 engine, the 100 mile an hour beast. I simply haven't had time because I've had other things I've been doing. But we're going to show you something that we have been doing, and let's go and have a look now. Right, this is yet another RT195 kit build, but it's got the long stroke crank, so it's 198cc now. On this one we've used a shorter base gasket and a bigger head gasket to drop the port timings down more, and we've done some tuning on it, so it's going to be a little different. So I want to see how this one turns out. I think it's going to be really bottom end and grunty, really grunty. But we've got a problem. Our clutch spider and clutch bell has got loose rivets. Just get this off. So rip all this off out of the way. I thought I'd do a little video of it, because this is really common where the rivets come loose on the clutch basket. Just dropped a bearing. Anyway, and also on the clutch spider itself, these rivets simply come loose. So what we do is, what I always do is just weld them up. So we're going to put some weld on here to make this good again. Okay, that's a close-up view. We've put a weld spot on each of the ends of those tabs where the rivets used to be. If you come around and see that one, yep. And that now brings all the strength back in there, and that's not going to break anymore. And just a big shout out to those people that have donated to my dyno. Thank you very much, everyone. We love you. Okay, so now we've got our basket to do. Now all of these rivets have become loose, and I found the best way to do it is to Dremel out the rivet on this face and create a little cavity, and then all the way down to the metal below it, and then we just fill that up with weld, and that acts as a permanent fix. So basically you weld both metals together, but we have to get rid of the rivet and Dremel down until we get down to the actual metal below, and then we fill that with a nice weld, and that's it, fixed. So here's your rivet before it's done, and now I've just dished out a nice big dish there, and that's going to be filled up with weld. I'm going to put the power up a bit so I get nice penetration, so we're going to penetrate into the bottom and get the top of this press in as well, so that becomes one piece then after that, because this dish that's inside here, two separate materials. Right, that one's already been done. That's now filled that up. So now I've got to grind into each of these So the rivet is completely out, and then we fill it up with weld and make sure we penetrate through to the bottom clutch basket and the top section, which is separate, so they're actually welded together. And you've got, and that's the finished job. Good as new again and ready to do some battle. Okay, this is the little RT motor that I've been working on. It's in and it's already been started up. It runs lovely, it really does. It's got a decompression port in, it's got all the ports have been done, wider exhaust port. It's my special design on the exhaust port. Gives it a really crisp response. Really pleased with the results. We'll just start it up for you. Got no throttle yet, I'm just pulling on the dangly cable bit. So we better put the choke on, which we haven't done the choke yet either.